Hello everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to remove a Mercedes-Benz key fob. Mercedes-Benz key fob. You can see this fob I'm holding. So a lot of people have been tagging me, to do a video about this. So I'm gonna be doing this because of some of my clients. You understand, which they will be calling me to come over to help them to change the fob battery. You understand? So I can't imagine leaving my workshop and driving as far as sometimes 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers just because I want to change the key fob battery. You understand? So I'm doing this video so that I'll be able to share this with them. So I want you to watch. So the first thing you're going to do when you're having issue with your key fob battery, probably the battery is weak and it's not functioning anymore. You understand? The first thing you have to do is to remove this blade here, the key blade. You have to remove it, and this is how to remove it. Look, there's a button here you need to push. Now let me push this. Let me see. Look at this. When you push this button, you see, watch this, you will see this blade will come up, it will release itself. Watch this very well. You see, let me release it. You see, so all you need to do is just find a way to push this, then remove the blade. That is the step one. Remove the blade. Now after removing the blade, what you need to do next is, this is the area where the battery is placed. You understand? So there's another button inside. I don't know if I can capture this, but there's another button inside. But if you look closely, you will see another button inside here. You understand? Just use the same key cylinder. Push it inside. Push it on this side of the key fob. Push it. Just push it down. See what happens? The cover actually opens. You understand? So this is the battery we need to replace here. You understand? So two things are involved. Either you look for something to pull it out. You can see how easy it is. Look for something to pull the battery out, and you have access to the battery. Or if you are not with anything, probably you don't have anything, just hit it on your palm like this. You see, and it will come out. And that is all. So the next thing to do is to get the battery. Go and buy this battery, and this is what you'll be working with. The number here, CR2025. CR2025. You understand? CR2025. That's what you'll be working with. You understand? So get the same number. Get the same number and get your key fob. Place it. Look at this side. Can you see? I want you to look at the battery. Look at the both sides very well. Look at the both sides. So on this side, which nothing is being written on, you understand? That is where you place it downward. You place it downward. See? Can you see it seated? You place it downward, and the next thing is to what? To cover it back. To place the back cover. Just place it back and key the back cover, and you're good to go. You understand? So return your key cylinder. Your key blade. Just return it to its normal position and let the key, and that is all. And you're good to go. Thank you. Follow me for more and like. Thank you.